Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. All right, you guys, I am going to be live over on my reseller testing Bolo products channel. This is what it looks like. I will link that down in the description and in the comments. Somebody recently asked me at one of my live shows, are you selling the stuff you're listing? And you guys, I totally am. I just am getting ready to ship this out. It's called My Precious Pets. They're horses. This is new old stock. It's sold for $31.50 plus shipping. And then, I don't know if you guys remember this one. I did a 7-day auction on this because I think it's a discontinued scent, and I sold this for $9.99. An update on that elf. Somebody offered me $75. I did not take it quick enough, and a bid came in for $49.99. I did not get any more bids, so that sold for $49.99. I'm kind of hoping they don't pay. But this is what the little elf looks like right here. Super cute. So come join me in the live working hangout. And again, linked below.